All right guys, so welcome to my channel. We said we were going to do more videos of this, and so here we are. If you have not gotten a chance to look at the previous video where I talked about how you can increase your income by redirecting the money you already get, meaning your cash flow, and investing in the stock market, doing long-term or short-term investing. I know quite a few of you have mentioned and commented in that video that you have started doing that for yourself, and I think that is amazing. That is great. It seems to be something that's very popular, that's talked about and taught on YouTube, but I will tell you guys from my personal experience, I actually worked with an advisor, someone that mentored me into the stock market and building an actual stock portfolio. So in this video, I'm going to talk about two more things that you can do to increase your cash flow. And then I'm going to tell you how you can learn more information about investing in the stock market if you are not doing that right now. Let's get started. But two things you want to do now to increase your income. First thing is invest in yourself. I'm not talking about putting and paying yourself first. I'm talking about adding value to your knowledge, your brain, learning a new skill, or if it's not learning a new skill, it is upgrading what you already know. If you've been doing something for a number of years and you want to go to the second step that I'm going to mention, you may want to add value to yourself by increasing your knowledge in that area of study, field of study, art, whatever it may be. Invest in yourself. Do not stop learning. If you stop learning and taking in more information, which is something I do as an educator, because it makes no sense to educate others if I don't make the time to educate myself. So you start to get lazy, you start just doing the bare minimum, you don't do everything that you need to do to increase your income by adding value to yourself. So that's the first thing you want to do, is add value to yourself. If it costs you to do it, find a way to do it, but never stop learning. Number two, home-based business. Why the heck not? Everybody's got talents. Everybody has something that they're good at. Even if you think you don't, it's because you haven't added value to yourself and taken the time to look within yourself and see what your value is. But having a home-based business allows you to take a little bit more control of your life per se, and your cash flow and your money, because it's another form of income. It also helps with the tax bracket, because I've mentioned in the last video, two most expensive things in our life is taxes and debt. And getting rid of debt should be your number one thing, and then having a home-based business definitely helps you with a great tax break. This is something they do not teach you in college. I didn't learn it in college. Somehow I learned it from you guys here on YouTube. But anyway, it's not about entrepreneurship. It's about offering a service, a product, or a skill, and that will require you to add some value to yourself, meaning you may need to go out there and get some more knowledge on just how to get your product in front of other people so that it can help. So the easiest way to create a home-based business, whatever that may be, identify the problem and then create a solution to that problem. And that's how you create a home-based business. Now, there's so much more that I can talk about as far as having a home-based business, or being a freelancer, or being a work-from-home person. There's so many ways you can do it. Here on YouTube is one of my avenues. I run online schools. So I run an online wig making school that I have been doing wig making on this channel for years, and I just decided decided to just go ahead and create an online and an in-home course. So I do teach courses in my home. If you want to know more information on that, just go to wigmaking101.com for that. And then the other things that I do, I'm a freelancer. I help home-based business owners how to get their ideas off of the ground, out of their head, and get it on social media in front of people's eyes, because that's where everyone's attention is. Their attention is on this thing right here. That's number two. That's your second thing you should do. So having a home-based business, look within yourself, figure out what it is that you have a talent or a passion for, and try to find a way to make that into money. I mentioned that there was going to be something very awesome I was going to share with you guys to help you invest in yourself and invest in your stock portfolio. For those of you who already have a stock portfolio, I think that's great, but I would love for you guys to attend these two free events. So the first event is you get an opportunity to learn from my mentor, Dr. Marsha Dawson. She teaches women how to build their stock portfolio, how to choose stocks, choose a stock broker. She taught me, it's a whole lot of things that she taught me, and it had me looking and reconsidering how my cash flow works in order to continue this journey of building a stock portfolio that can increase my income. Because there's two types of investing. There's your long term for retirement planning or something like that, and then there's your short term for those who just want to increase their cash flow at the moment, or home-based business entrepreneurs like me that adds to it so you can reinvest into your home-based business. So I would love for you guys to attend, because I will be there because there's nothing wrong with reminders. Her event is free. You don't have to pay for it. You get to learn something about how her program works and how she can help you out individually. So check down below. There's a link down below for you to be able to register for her event. It's Monday, September the 23rd. It's at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for those of you who live on my side of the world. Go there, register so that you can be a part of that. She will be sending you a link out. She does things by Zoom. I use Zoom as well, but she used the video conferencing app, and that definitely helps, where you can talk to her and ask questions and things like that. But the event is going to be talking about 3 things you should know when it comes to building a profitable stock portfolio. So I would love for you guys to join that event. It's free. It's adding value to you. So follow the very first step that I'm giving you guys, but look down below for the link to that. And then there is another event that is happening September the 29th. That is my event. I am one of the instructors of wigmaking101.com. I'm also the creator, CEO, and just about everything else with that online course and hands-on training that I offer. I am going to be doing a live business course. So I'm going to be talking about how you can get started into business. Now, you might hear, or having a home-based business of your own, you might hear a lot of information about the hair industry, because that's what that online course and everything is catered to. But it will be enough information to help you guys understand where you might want to go in your own business that may not have anything to do with the hair business. But that's what I'm going to be discussing about. So that would be Sunday. That's September the 29th. That's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 p.m. Central Time, 11 a.m. Post Standard Time, 8 p.m. Europe time, because I do have students that are not in the US at wigmaking101.com. So those are the 2 events. That's free as well. All you got to do is look down below. You can click and register for that event as well. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys some things that I have been learning since Dr. Marsha Dawson has been helping me with my stock portfolio. I'm not approaching retirement as of yet, but I have two types of stock portfolios now that I am learning from her that would work for me. Having one that's long-term so that I could build up enough income to use for retirement if I ever retire. You know, I plan on doing stuff like this forever anyway, or until I just can't think or do anything anymore. Having a short-term stock portfolio, which is really just to add more income. So she will explain how that all works. Eventually I'll show you guys how I'm doing it, just to give you guys a reference. But I've learned so much over the years with her, and it has really definitely helped me out as a businesswoman, as an entrepreneur, on how to pay attention to my money and assets and things like that. So definitely look down below for both of those links. I hope you can join them, and I will see you guys in the next video.
It's time for me to go make some more money. I had to record this video for you guys because I love you and I'm trying to keep up as much as possible. I'm a very busy person and I'm not always able to do a lot of videos, and I'm too spontaneous and I just talk too much, and
I digress. Love you guys. Bye.